Okay, I just got this to me finally after almost like a month. I bought the Michael Kors tote bag. I think it was the jet set type, and I bought it from Rebonds here, www.rebonds.com, where you can just buy used or new bags. And I bought this by having like a 50% off the price, so let us see how it looks like. I don't mind the mess, it's in my bed. Okay, there it is. Rebonds. What's this? Hold on, let me get this thing off. Okay. I've been waiting for this forever because my old bag is so worn out. Michael Kors, definitely. And there's the card. Okay. Excuse me for doing it with one hand. Hold on. It was the color, if I'm not mistaken, called truffle, I think. So, okay, hold on. I can do this. Okay, there it is. There's the bag. And okay, I really have to cut this off. Seriously. Let me see. Okay, that's the price tag, I guess. Yeah, it's the jet. Yeah. See? There it is. Well, there are. Okay. Now I've already got rid of all of the biggest things that was covering the bag and hard to open and show how the bag looks. So now you could see this is how the bag looks. See, there's the Michael Kors, and the what's it called? Charm. There's the bag here. I mean, like pocket here, and then stripes. Yep. And you can adjust the strap for your convenience. And the inside looks kind of, yeah, let me get a better view. Yeah, this, the type of it. See, Michael Kors. It's the jet set truffle. Yeah, right. Jet set type, and color is truffle. Okay, so as you can see, there's two pockets here, and there's key ring, I think it's called, and then there's a zipper which you could open, and there's other cards in it, and then on the other side there's that one big pocket. This is why I like it. It's big and spacious and have quite plenty of pockets in and outside. I don't know if the outside can be used its pockets. I think I'll just have to see. So yeah, I think this is it. Finally got it, the bag, to you know, renew one, because mine is already like very worn out. It's been like years, and now I hope this could change that, and I hope it will be an awesome bag in the future. So okay, I hope this helped you guys on deciding whether if you consider buying this bag. Maybe want to take a look how it looks. So yeah, bye.